Hi Leo, welcome to my channel. This is a mid-month reading for the month of May. So I have stopped doing date-wise readings because time is fluid and it might not resonate with each one of you. So take it as it comes. This is mid-month going towards the end of May. Let's see what the days forward has in store for you. Alright, so I think things that you were walking away from are attracting you back. Things that you have been really, trying to be away from are attracting you back. And your intuition is guiding you back towards that thing that you thought that, oh no, I really don't want it. Let me go away, find another thing, shut this off. So whatever you did to resist is coming back and coming back fast. And you are the one bringing it back because your intuition is somewhere guiding you towards it. You are being guided towards that decision that you thought was not good for you. Let us see. Let me clarify this Six of Swords. So yes, the offer that you thought wasn't going to bring you happiness, wasn't too good. I think it is full of love. It was full of love from the other party. Like I see that the other person was giving you more than you gave to them. But now your heart is somewhere, I think you are avoiding the feelings of love, and it is all around you. And that person that you thought isn't you don't have feelings for them, or you were resisting the expression of feelings. That is very like you're filled with that. You want to express, you want to really tell them how you feel. You really want to go towards them with all, because I think somewhere you're guided towards it, I feel. Let me see some major arcana cards. The Hangman. The Hierophant coming twice. So you are definitely guided. The Temperance. Again, the need for balance. And also I would say in your case, I think they are your better half. If you see what the Temperance is the male and female version, right? So they are your, divine counterpart or soulmate, whatever you want to call them. And Temperance, Hierophant coming twice, you are very strongly pulled towards them. You feel, I don't know why I keep going back to this person. This person is not good for me. You have all those, your brain working against your heart sort of a situation. But I think the heart wins here because your perspective has completely changed now. You really, I don't know, I think you woke up one day and you realized, I don't know why I was resisting it. It's not that bad. I think this change is happening mid-month with you, Leo. Let me see some love messages for you. Haba means quick changes in terms of love happening. See me in their eyes. You really see the love that they have for you, and also they chose you. So I think again the person who has chosen you, you will end up choosing them because you see the love in their eyes. You know that their eyes speak more than their words could, and I think that is the reason maybe you have decided to change. Let's see how you can handle it. Patience. Fear, anger, stay away from it and be wise. So Lord is guiding you to don't go by, I think don't be guided by fear. Fear of, I don't know what are you fearing of in a relationship, but have patience, be wise, in taking any decision, because Fool card suggests that you want to really quickly go towards it. Yet, these cards want you to take your time, have patience, be wise in what moves you make and how do you make a move. And don't be free from all the fear and anger and resentment that you have, right? So past fears, past relationship failures, all those things could have maybe forced you to stay away. Like I said, I don't know what reasons that you walked away, but I think whatever decision you take your time to take that decision. Just because you wake up one day and realize that things should be changing, still don't go by that instant urge to change. take your time and then take a decision so that the decision sticks for long is the mid-month tarot conclusion for you. I think that's all I have for you. Let's see how your days go. All the best. Thank you for watching.